When your skin is troubled, it needs a gentle care using the right ingredients. So gentle and light, it will suit all skin types. Say goodbye to all your blemishes, redness, and other troubles. Hello, annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Lately, I've been receiving comments from some of my viewers saying that nothing works for me. What can I do with my sensitive and troubled skin? No matter how great your serums or creams are, to achieve that healthy, clear, and glowing skin that you desire, it all starts with proper cleansing. In today's video, I want to focus on the basics. Face cleansing. What to prioritize when your face is in SOS mode. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Mixsoon. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know how much I love their viral bean essence. A unique and effective product made by a brand that's all about quality using top-notch pure ingredients. I cannot wait to share with you guys their high-quality cleansing products this time that I swear by, especially for troubled skin. So let's jump right in. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. When your skin is troubled, it needs a gentle care using the right ingredients. When I saw my viewers' comments saying that nothing's working on their sensitive and troubled skin, I first thought of this Mixsoon bean essence. As mentioned in my previous video, this essence is packed with highly antioxidant fermented ingredients such as soybean and barley extracts that will calm, smooth, and strengthen your skin barrier. Then I discovered another product from Mixsoon which you can add to your cleansing routine to achieve even better results. Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil. I have a dry and sensitive skin, so my favorite product when it comes to cleansing has always been cleansing oil. As you can see here, my very first video when I started this channel was about cleansing oil. You can see how many cleansing oils I've been trying during my skincare junkie journey. Cleansing oil removes all the dirt, impurities, and makeup in one go, so I find it most convenient. It is typically more suitable for dry skin types like myself, as it can be too rich and thick for oily and combination skin types. But this Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil is nothing like that. As you can see here, this is almost as lightweight as a toner. This is an extremely gentle, one-of-a-kind cleansing oil infused with highly antioxidant ingredients with a light and silky texture, making it suitable for all skin types, including oily, combination, sensitive, and troubled skin types. This cleansing oil has a luxurious, lightweight formula that feels smooth and silky on the skin. Inspired by Mixsoon's best-selling bean essence, this also contains a blend of fermented soybean and barley, highly antioxidant ingredients, fermented pomegranate, and Korean pear extracts that help to boost vitality and restore your skin's oil and moisture balance. Pump the cleansing oil about 2 to 3 times into your dry hands. Massage it onto your face, rolling softly for about 30 seconds. Then wet your hands slightly and continue massaging your face for about another 30 seconds. This will emulsify, turning it into a milky soap-like texture. This cleansing oil is also formulated with jojoba seed oil and tocopherol to moisturize, soothe, and improve skin texture. I'm usually not a fan of fragrance in skincare products, but this cleansing oil has a subtle, pleasant smell of lavender, making this cleansing experience feel like a luxurious treat for your face. When you're all done, wash it off with lukewarm water. This cleansing oil is so gentle and light, it will suit all skin types, including dry, oily, sensitive, and troubled skin, leaving your skin feeling refreshed, plump, and hydrated. Check this out. I've been really impressed by how effectively this cleansing oil removes all the impurities and dead skin cells on my skin. So when trying this oil on another day, I took a picture of before and after, and look at the difference. It has significantly reduced the appearance of my blackheads. After treating your skin with a gentle and antioxidant-packed cleansing oil, what will be the next? That's right, the next stage of double cleansing, cleansing foam. To enhance your troubled skin, you need to choose a gentle cleansing foam formulated with the right ingredients. For this, in my opinion, there is no better product than this one. Mixsoon Centella Cleansing Foam. Those of you who have been browsing my replies on the comments in previous videos will know that I've been suggesting this cleansing foam to all of those comments who's been struggling to find the right cleansing foam for their troubled or sensitive skin. This is a gentle cleansing foam in a low acidic pH level, formulated with the ingredients that will especially benefit blemish and acne prone skin types. It contains Centella asiatica extract grown on Mixsoon's own farm. Not only that, it contains salicylic acid and citric acid. This will be great to calm acne prone or troubled skin types, but my dry and sensitive skin love this cleansing foam as well, as it was very hydrating. This fragrance-free cleansing foam has a low acidic pH level of between 3 to 5. This foams up really well and it feels gentle and hydrating on the skin. It's enriched with 500 ppm of skin-soothing Centella asiatica extract and salicylic acid that will help to gently exfoliate and clear out pore-clogging impurities, helping to reduce acne breakouts and redness. This also contains citric acid, which will further help with gentle exfoliation to effectively remove dead skin cells to improve skin texture and brightness. After rubbing this cleansing foam for about 60 seconds, wash it off in lukewarm water, then your face will be left feeling refreshed, smooth, and hydrated. Double cleanse properly using these two game-changing combo, and you might be able to say goodbye to all your blemishes, redness, and other troubles. After double cleansing using Mixsoon Bean Cleansing Oil and Centella Cleansing Foam, you may use this Mixsoon Bean Essence to give extra hydration and nourishment to your troubled skin. It contains 4 effective ingredients: fermented soybean extract, which is rich in amino acids, a highly antioxidant ingredient; fermented barley, another highly antioxidant ingredient that strengthens your skin barrier; and fermented pomegranate and pear juice. In my last Mixsoon Bean Essence video, one of my subscribers has asked, how is this bean essence okay without any preservatives? So I asked the brand and here is their answer. Even without preservatives, this product can maintain its quality for an extended period due to the stability of its components. As its ingredients are stably mixed without separation, bean essence can be used up to 36 months from the manufacturing date and 12 months after opening without preservatives. Also, I have a latest news about this Mixsoon Bean Essence. This now contains 7 ingredients instead of just 4 ingredients due to recent changes with refinement and regulations, but still without any preservatives, for the reasons that I explained earlier. A real innovative and high quality products, Mixsoon. I absolutely love their products, including these 2 effective double cleansing duo, which I'm really hoping will help for those of you with sensitive and troubled skin. Please let me know down in the comments if you do get to try them. I'd love to hear from you all. If you're interested in shopping for any other products I mentioned in today's video, all the shopping links will be down in the information section below, so go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to come back to the next one, as I'll be showing another innovative product from Mixsoon. I'll see you in the next one. Annyeong!